Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. It is the second video lecture for the day as we are sharing the answer key of NABARD grade A evening shift means afternoon shift. So in ESI paper 90% of the question covered in our content we have taken a rough idea and we'll share the exact details soon. Also in the ARD paper, more than 80% questions are directly covered in our content, and our content is the most specific content among all the online platform, means that can be covered in very less time. So in this part, we will cover the 60 questions. We will not waste the time of students, and we will do it in rapid manner. So rest 60 question will be covered, so you can calculate your accurate marks. So first we are covering 40 ARD questions. So first question, content of which soil nutrient increased by acidification? So nitrogen is the right answer. Fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in soil by bacteria is this process is called acidification. So nitrogen is increased. It is a method of handling dormant seed in which the imbibed seeds are subjected to a period of chilling to after ripen the embryo in alternate layers of sand or soil for a specific period. It is also known as most chilling. That process is called stratification. We have this. If you are watching our YouTube videos regularly, you can easily answer few questions like this. Stratification, which of the following is legume fodder? That cowpea and lucerne. These both were the options, so this is the correct option. Means you have to select, I think four options were given. Medium farmer as per agri census in NABARD grade B, it was also covered to 4 to 10 hectare. So the institute which is working for the capacity development of farmers and their skills and for upgradation of the skills of the farmer, that is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. In inland, the cultivation of fish is banned in India because it is predatory and it can affect the ecological balance, that is African catfish. As per economic survey, agriculture sector contribution in India's GVA yesterday was also asked in grade B, 17.8%. Which of the following is not a component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana? It was asked. It was also easy question as with the students. That 5 options were there. So you have to select which of the following is not a component of PMKSY. When the groundwater resources are assessed as semi-critical in a block taluka. So when groundwater extraction reached at a level of 70 to 90%, it is this question is taken from the this news only. I think this news was in Times of India. It is the science of vegetable. One report was the Central Water Groundwater Board. It is a science of vegetable growing, dealing the culture of non-woody plant for food. Some olericulture. The definition this was given. Some other definition was given. So that is relevant to this means study of vegetable or related to vegetable. That branch is olericulture. CTC processing is essential for the production of means CTC processing is used in the tea production. The most stable agroclimate zone for cotton western plate, that is the area of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? Biomass is the right answer. The machine used for the chopping fodder chaff cutter. Abscission is the shedding away of cutting off or different part of an organism, generally a plant, means a plant dropping its leaf off. This is a form of abscission that is also called as deciduous. So this process is when means in a year the plant drops their leaves. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Neon is the right answer. It is of very light intensity composed of fine droplets less than 0.5 mm diameter. That is called drizzle. Organic state in India, only one is there, that is Sikkim. It was also asked in ESI also. Male sheep used for breeding are called ram. Which of the following is not true about this? This question is also asked in previous years. Which of the following is not true about the mixed cropping? Seeds are mixed before sowing. That is not true related to mixed cropping. It refers to the practice of mixing surface soil with water to make it soft for transplanting, the traditional crop established method for rice puddling, and the conservation measure in the hill area. I think that is terrace farming. This the option we are not sure that terrace farming or contour bunding is there. So contour bunding, if it is there, so in among these two, contour bunding will be the right option. We are not sure contour bunding option was there or not. These are selectively bred in order to possess certain desired characteristics like large chicken breast muscle and referred as white chicken or chicken breast. So broiler is the right answer. Which of the following belongs to the millet? Jowar, bajra, ragi. This option was the right. Haryana is a cattle breed. Which of the following type breed? This is dual purpose breed. SPMRM aims at development of 300 urban clusters. Fish curing process, salting, smoking, and what blanching was also there. So salting and smoking are the fish curing process. Agri census is being conducted at an interval of 5 years. Har Khet Ko Pani is related to the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The process removes dead and drying branches and stubs, allowing room for new growth and protecting your property and passerby from damage. That is called pruning. It is an easy question. You can see that number of questions were very easy. The coordinating agency for organic production and export of products in India is APEDA. It is the most advanced enterprise and involves full mechanization and automation of the egg production cycle, including battery egg laying, temperature control, scientific feeding, and mechanized egg collection method that is called integrated egg production. Soil light textured with uh, this is question is I think kaolamonite, kaol kaolamonite as dominant clay mineral. So that is China clay. Question is we are not sure that same question was asked. What were the option? But question was this. Forests are managed for food and rearing domesticated animals. Silvopasture is the right answer. The negative interaction between a crop tree occurs in agroforestry. Under MGNREGA, how many days employment is provided? 100 days. The irrigable land area by canal or dam or drain or irrigation project is called command area. Under KCC Kisan Credit Card, the limit of loan to fisheries and animal entry at 2% interest subvention is the 2 lakhs rupees. There were option of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 lakhs is the right answer. Dry land farming, it is the production of crops without irrigation in the area where annual rainfall is less than 750 mm. Most appropriate characteristics of Indian agriculture, that is orthodox farming technique and small size and scattered land holdings. Next is 20 questions of GA. NPCI Global Arm ties up with the Masrek Bank for UPI payments. That bank belongs to the which country? UAE. It is the largest agricultural commodity stock exchange in the country, just is National Commodity and Derivative Exchange of Etihad Airway belong to which country? UAE. BCCI issues tender for new IPL teams to be added in 2022 edition, that is 2. How many new judges, including 3 women, have been administered the oath of office as judges of the Supreme Court by the Chief Justice of India? That is 9. Nepal Investment Board has said it's signed a pact with India state-owned to develop the 679 megawatt Arun hydroelectric project in eastern Nepal, that is SJVN, Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam. Largest metro system in India is Delhi Metro. Which enters India's railway map? Which northeast state enters in India's railway map as the first passenger train, which is the state, that is Manipur. Market regulator SEBI has banned which organization for any fixed maturity plan for 6 months? That is Kotak Mahindra Asset Management Company. The Union government has decided to set up a national center for excellence for animal visual effects, gaming, and comics for creating a world-class talent pool in India to cater to the India as well as the global industry. It will set up in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Next question was the Delstin belong to which country? South Africa. Kia Motor belong to which country? South Korea. The Right to Education Act, also known as the RTE Act 2009, came into effect from 1st April 2010. Saeed Shahid Hakim, former Indian footballer, recently passed away. Has also worked in which Indian organization? That was Indian Air Force. Which of the following is set to join the global bandwagon around non-fungible tokens? The uh, through NFT platform Beyond Life Club, that is Amitabh Bachchan. The snow leopard is a state animal of Ladakh. It was all these were in recent news only, August, July, September. Which institute from India is ranked first in an Indian institute in Times the World University ranking 2022? Indian Institute of Science. Who won the Tokyo Olympic tennis gold medal? Alexander Zverev. Go Airlines set SEBI Nodi for the IPO, that is amount was asked as rupees 3600 crores, 3600 crores. The first month of SAC era calendar is Chaitra. So all these were questions. So this shift is overall easiest shift among all the shifts like NABARD grade B, morning shift of NABARD grade A. So questions you can see that very easy, including the current affair, recent current affair, and some questions were very basic in nature. So easily can be answered. So these are those who are getting 50 plus in merit section. They can start preparing for the phase 2 exam, and we will keep updating. We are providing the most specific content for RBI, NABARD, and SEBI exams. So you can subscribe our courses, and the most specific characteristic of our course is that it can easily be covered in very less time, as we have specific content, exam oriented content, and 80 to 90% questions have been covered in this exam from our content directly. So also keep subscribing our YouTube channel, keep sharing the video, and we will keep updating you. We'll keep sharing the content and video lectures on our YouTube channel. Thank you and happy